Hi, welcome to Group 4, and our topic is all about planning data collection and analysis. So, what are the different data collection methods, and how can we ensure that the data collection method is appropriate for the research study? Different data collection methods. Number 1, a questionnaire is composed of a written list of item questions wherein the participants can answer independently. Number 2, an experiment is designed to test hypotheses under controlled conditions and involves the manipulation of variables. And the three types of experiments are laboratory, field, and natural. Number 3, observation is a process wherein researchers purposely or selectively watch or listen to an occurring interaction or quantified by using rating scales and checklists. Quantitative interviews are also called standardized interviews or survey interviews because of their similarity to a survey's question and answer format. To ensure the appropriateness of a research study, consider the following key steps. Number 1, define research objectives. Clearly outline the goals and questions of the study. This step establishes what you intend to achieve and the specific information you need to gather. Number 2, consider the research design and match the data collection method. Align your data collection method to the chosen research design. Examples of research designs: qualitative, focuses on understanding, experiences, perspectives, and meanings. Example, interviews, focus groups. Quantitative deals with numerical data and statistical analysis. Example, surveys and experiments. Mixed methods combines both qualitative and quantitative approaches. Number 3, identify the target population. Determine who or what the study focuses on. Select methods that can effectively reach and gather data from this specific population. Number 4, evaluate feasibility. Assess the resources, time, and accessibility required for each method. Consider practical constraints and ensure the chosen methods are achievable within your limitations. Number 5, assess validity and reliability. Choose methods that provide valid and reliable data. Validity ensures the method measures what it intends to measure. Reliability ensures the method consistently produces the same results under similar conditions. And here are the final 2 steps to ensure the appropriateness of a research study. Number 6, pilot test method. Conduct a trial run to identify and address any issues before full implementation. This helps ensure accurate and consistent data collection. And number 7, ethical considerations. Ensure the method respects participants' rights and privacy. Adhere to ethical guidelines to protect participants from harm. Evaluating data collection methods. Data collection procedure must be ethical and must be standardized. Identify how the researchers reduce threats. And my groupmate Glyza de Guzman will tackle why do research studies need to be ethical.
Why do research studies need to be ethical? Research studies need to be ethical for several or critical reasons. Protecting participants. Ethical research ensures the safety, rights, and well-being of all participants. This includes minimizing harm, ensuring informed consent, and maintaining confidentiality. Promoting valid research. Adhering to ethical standards promote honest, accuracy, and objectivity in research. This enhances the credibility and reliability of the findings. Upholding public trust. Ethical research fosters trust between researcher and the public. This trust is essential for the support and acceptance of research outcomes. Ensuring accountability. Ethical guidelines provide a framework for researchers to be held accountable for their action. This helps prevent misconduct and promotes responsible research practice. Complying with regulation, many institutions and findings agency require ethical review and approval of research studies. Compliance with this regulation is essential for conducting research.
Introducing to data analysis and hypothesis testing, let's hear Ms. Roshan for her report.
Quantitative data analysis is a powerful tool that is often associated with large-scale research. Scale of data. Nominal. A nominal scale pertains to categories and has no numerical meaning. For example, in a demographic form, 1 might denote female and 2 denote male. Ordinal. In ordinal scales, the data are classified according to ranking or order of the variables. For example, a software company may ask its clients, how would you rate or off? Excellence, very good, good, bad, or poor. Interval. An interval scale assumes that there is an equal interval between each data point. For example, measuring temperature using the Fahrenheit scale. Ratio. A ratio scale indicates that there is an absolute zero. The characteristic of 3 scales above are also found in the interval scale. For example, measures of distance, price of goods, and weight.
Now let's hear Patrick about his report of descriptive and inferential statistics.
Descriptive and inferential statistics. Descriptive simply summarizes the data by presenting it into more manageable bits. Inferential enables researchers to test their hypotheses and conduct regression analysis. Descriptive statistics summarizing data you already have. Example, calculating the average height of students in your class using measurements you've collected. Inferential statistics using a small amount of data to make predictions about a larger group. Example, surveying a sample of students to predict which candidate will win the student council election.
Numerical data from quantitative research can be analyzed or performed using computer programs.
Numerical data is qualitative research can be summarized or presented using either descriptive or inferential statistic. Numerical data from qualitative research can be effectively analyzed using computer programs because efficiency computer programs can process large details much faster than manual methods. Accuracy, they reduce the risk of human error in calculation and data manipulation. Complexity, they can perform complex statistical analysis and that would be difficult or impossible to do by hand. Visualization, many programs offer tools for creating graphs and charts to visualize data and identifying patterns. Automation, they can automate prescriptive tasks, saving time and user-friendly. Software options available making data analysis more accessible to researchers.
Hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing allows researchers to test their assumptions. The two types of hypothesis are the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. This will explain by my groupmate, Algerald Fariola.